calm ocean hid a nightmare, the rogue wave that destroyed a ship instantly. The ocean looked completely calm, stretching endlessly under a clear sky. A large cargo ship moved steadily across the water, its engine humming softly as it cut through the smooth surface. The crew went about their routine without concern, some resting on deck, others talking quietly. Everything felt normal, almost peaceful, like nothing in the world could go wrong out here. But far beyond the horizon, something unusual was beginning to form. At first, it was barely noticeable. A slight change in wind, a faint shift in the rhythm of the waves. Deep beneath the surface, however, the ocean was moving differently, as if something powerful was stirring far below. The calm that everyone trusted was slowly starting to feel uncertain. Minutes passed, and the water ahead began to rise in a strange, unnatural way. One crew member noticed it first and stared into the distance, unsure of what he was seeing. The horizon didn't look right anymore. The surface of the ocean seemed to lift upward, as if the sea itself was standing up from below. A quiet sense of unease started spreading across the ship.
Brace yourselves!
Then, without warning, everything changed. The rising water transformed into something massive, an enormous wall of ocean forming out of nowhere. It grew taller and taller in seconds, becoming a towering force that defied logic. Panic erupted on the ship as alarms and shouts filled the air. Engines roared, but there was no time to react. The rogue wave approached with terrifying speed, blocking out the sky as it came closer. In an instant, it collided with the ship in a violent explosion of water and force. Steel groaned, the vessel tilted, and everything was swallowed by the ocean's power. For a moment, there was nothing but chaos and noise. Then suddenly, silence returned, as quickly as it had been broken. When the ocean calmed again, it looked almost unchanged, as if nothing had happened at all. But floating debris and scattered wreckage told a different story. The ship was gone, and only a few survivors remained, clinging to what was left, staring into the endless sea in disbelief. The ocean had returned to peace, but it never